footwork, fundamental knowledge. So let's take a look at our feet. So when we stand like this is a flat foot position. So we call it flat. So our ball of the foot, our toes, our heels are touching the ground. So you can see this is the flat. Now, this is position number one. Number two position is going to be ball of the foot. So let's try it on the one foot. So we're going to lift heel up into as highest as possible position. So high ball of the foot. So not this way, but high, as much as you can. High ball of the foot. So you can see maybe from here. So this is the flat. This is a high ball of the foot. This is position number two. Number three position, it's toes. Or we can say nails. So again, so this is a flat foot. Now we have number two position, ball of the foot. Number three position, nails, right on toe. So you can see, so it's very, very sharp, but it's straight. And number four position, which is the most important position, it's inside edge of the toe. Inside edge of the toe, especially for the females, it's going to be very important. So this is a toe, inside edge of the toe. So you basically, in this part of your foot, you're pressing it slightly in. And then when you close your foot, you'll see it's create immediately very beautiful, very nice look, rather than being like that. So let's review this on the other leg. So we have a flat, ball of the foot, toe, inside of the toe, inside of the toe. And this is recommended to do it in a closed feet position and change your weight, and you will see you have this beautiful closing. You see there is a certain curve about it, so it's not a straight, it's very curvy. Then we can roll back, toes, ball of the foot, heel, and do exactly the same on the other foot. Ball of the foot, toe, inside edge of the toe, so inside, so it's going to be inside. Toe, ball of the foot, heel. Ball of the foot, toe, inside of the toe. Toe, ball of the foot, heel. Now let's say if we would like to change weight in place, so we start from closing position, so we will try to keep it already on inside of the toe, our feet. And as we change, you want to arrive into inside of the toe position. So if we transfer our weight in place, we want to get that inside edge of the toe foot position. Now let's say if we would like to move forward from this position, so we're going to use inside edge of the toe, and in this type of foot position, so if my foot is turned out, we can take step forward. So it's going to be the most beautiful way of doing it. Similarly, if we're going to go backward from this position, if when our knee bends, you see our foot goes on inside edge of the toe, passing through the closed position, still using inside edge of the toe on the back. So right here on the back, inside edge. So we don't want to get here, we don't want to get on the toe, we don't want to get here. Inside edge of the toe, and then land, ball, heel. So using that inside edge of the toe, it's the most fundamental you can imagine. So let's do another exercise. Let's do all the options. So we can do just close our feet, stay in place using inside edge of the toe. We can change our body weight and use inside edge of the toe. Now we can take step forward using inside edge of the toe. Now side using inside edge. You see how the foot goes. So it never goes this way. That's not recommended. This way, inside edge of the toe. And also backward, exactly the same. Inside edge of the toe. And only then it lands ball, heel. Remember those positions. So you go inside edge of the toe, ball, heel, inside edge of the toe, ball, heel. If we're going side, inside edge of the toe, ball, heel. So for example, we take a simple rumba step. So before we start, already put your feet on inside edge of the toe. And then you're going to the side, so you slide on inside edge of the toe, then go ball, heel, then you transfer your weight. Now you need to collect your feet, right? So as you melt here, the hips start to go back, bring that leg from above the knee here, and now the knee activate the foot, and foot is staying connected to the floor through the inside edge of the toe. Now from here I would like to move forward, so use my body and you see my foot through inside edge of the toe, ball, heel, lands forward. Now from here, when we replace back, we don't have this position because it's going to be only ball of the foot in this situation because it's just a rocking action. We don't really take any step. We don't travel. Now we collect the same using our knee. It's the inside edge of the toe, and then we step. And now when we do it a little bit faster, you will see by using inside edge of the toe, your steps become much more beautiful. And that's applied to every single step. Let's say if you would like to do a little bit more advanced, like a sliding door in rumba, we step forward, we replace. Now I want to do that 90-degree hip twist. So here we still try to engage this part of your foot, inside edge of the toe. And you see, inside edge, inside. So those feet make a big difference. And it's not only rumba, it could be American style rumba. We're using this feet. It could be cha cha cha, inside edge of the toe, cha cha, cha cha cha. Or let's say we can dance samba. We still have the usage of that inside edge of the toe foot position. So any type of dance. So this is the fundamental understanding of a footwork.